Let's make a chocolate cake with only 2 ingredients. So first we're going to separate our egg yolks from our egg whites. Make sure that there's no egg yolk in your egg white because then the egg whites won't fluff up. Last one. Now let's set this to the side. Now let's melt our chocolate chips. Now to the chocolate, we're going to add 1 egg yolk in at a time. Once you're done adding in the egg yolks, it should turn into this clumpy mess. Don't worry, you're doing everything correctly. Now time for our egg whites. We're going to whip it up till it's white and fluffy. Once it holds stiff peaks, you're ready to go. So we're actually going to add a big scoop of the egg whites to our chocolate mixture. We're going to fold it in. Add in some more. Why we fold in is that we whip so much air into these egg whites and we don't want to deflate it. Now that the chocolate mixture is more loose, I'm going to add it all to our egg whites. Time to fold all of it together. Let's pour it into our greased pan. Time to go in the oven. Release it from the edges. This is optional, but I like to sprinkle on some powdered sugar. Thanks for watching. Bye!